Why, Wendy's? Why? F you donating to this nigga for? He's a bum. But I see you donating like 500 grand to the black communities, I believe it was. I see that, don't worry, I see that. But still, for this bum, you know what he did? You know what he's doing to us? Maybe not you, but. Shout out to the black community. Justice for everybody that brutally assaulted by the police officers. You know what I'm saying? Raise your fist. Moment of silence for them. And if you don't have your fist up, you ain't getting no reparations. We making Wendy's 4 for $4, so you don't have to go to the restaurant over there. You can make it right at home. My 4 for $4 is a Summer Baconator, spicy nuggets, fries, and a Sprite. First what I did was I did my nuggets. So we got thighs over here. We took off all the fat excess and we made our form. Slice it to whatever thickness you want and then cross slice it again so we can get our little squares. Put them in a bowl, add salt, pepper, and cayenne to it with a little bit of this pepper sauce. Doesn't matter what type of hot sauce you want or pepper sauce, I just use this because this one's fire. Put it in there, about a tablespoon of each. Mix it, leave it in the fridge. We got 2 eggs, crack it, salt, pepper, and a little of the pepper sauce again. Yo, don't worry about my hands mixing with the egg. Worry about Wendy's donating to Trump, alright? Then we have the flour, chili powder, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and salt. We mixed it, then we add in a whole layer of cayenne pepper, right? Just to make sure it gets spicy enough. We preheat our oven to 400 degrees for our bacon. For the burgers, right? We have a 90% lean, put it in the bowl, 2 eggs with the same spice mix that we use for the flour. Mix it up, right? What I like to do is flatten it again, and then just with the onion and garlic powder, sprinkle the onion and garlic powder over the top, right? Just to make sure everything is seasoned. Now, just for the fries, it's basically like how we made it with the Cajun fish and chips. I know you haven't watched it, so I'm gonna just do it with you. But peel it first, cut your planks down, and then form your fries after that. Simple. Hold on, y'all see the new pins I got? Ooh, this shit is sexy. Ah. With a sheet pan, grab whatever bacon you're gonna buy from the grocery store. I got this black label maple bacon. You know what I'm saying? It's not have to be exactly Wendy's, but we're gonna try. So what you're gonna do now, the Baconator gets 4 strips. So I'm gonna put 4. Boom, dig, and I'm gonna put a little extra one just for me, feel me? Chill. We're gonna leave this in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, right? We're gonna move on to the other shit. We got 2 pots right here. 1 for the chicken nuggets, 2 for the fries. So we're gonna actually fry these now. We're gonna have these on medium to low heat. For the patties now, Wendy's usually have like this square patty, if you will. Let's just form our balls right here because we're gonna make a little bit of a smash burger-esque 4 for $4. If you don't know what smash burgers means, I'll show you soon enough. Ooh, look at them big boys. Found some towels. Just take these out. Never put oil in the sink. For the bread, take it, locate the half, slice it down the middle, open it up. Simple. Now you know how to open bread. For our burgers, we're just gonna toast our bread. So leave this on medium heat and let it brown up a little bit. For our fries, the oil reached 300. So we're gonna just put these in and let them, but we're gonna take these out afterwards, all right? So about a couple minutes in there to let it blanch out. Now for our nuggets, we got our chicken right here. Just put them within the egg, dump the egg mixture, make sure there's no excess. Then we put them in the flour, switch hands. See what I'm doing? So do what I do. Dump out the excess flour, put it back in the eggs. You're gonna double coat these and do it again. We laid out a couple sheets of paper towel, 2-sided, 1 for the fries and 1 for the nuggets, right? So we're gonna take out the fries right now, put them down. We are now gonna raise the heat to medium to low heat. What we had it before was very low until it heats 300 degrees. Now we're putting it up. onto medium to low heat, so about halfway on medium to low heat. For the patty, make sure your pan is on medium heat and already hot for it to go down. Sorry y'all if I sound a little weird, but my wisdom tooth is bugging out right now. A little bit of oil. So grab your patty, put it on there, and let it sit until the bottom side gets crispy. Right? Please don't overcrowd it. The oil for the chicken, right? But just, I'm saying, just put it in there. Let me tell y'all something. If y'all don't know what these look like when they're cooked, then you're out of luck. Just watch me work real quick. So, remember when I mentioned smash burgers, right? We flipped it, then we're gonna push this down. This helps everything to be cooked, not just a normal restaurant, just snatching the burgers itself. Just look at that shit cooking, boy. We're gonna flip this again, just to get the remainder edges of the patty. For our nuggets, you can see them, what I'm saying, crisping up. Already crispier than Wendy's regular nuggets, right? Just let them cook a little bit more. We want a brown color, almost like darker. I don't know if I can see that, but a little bit darker than that, you know what I'm saying? With our fries, you know what fries are supposed to be cooked like. You already seen it in the Cajun fish and chips. If you haven't, go check that out right now. If you want to put cheese, just place the cheese on top of one of the burgers and then let it cook down, alright? We could put you could put cover on it and water to help the cheese melt quick, but yeah, you can do whatever you want. Just allow it to melt, you know what I'm saying, before you put it on the bread. Everything is ready. Now please, just please, a moment of silence for this plating. We're gonna try this out real quick. First, the fries. Ooh, crispy, salty, everything. Nuggets, we got our sweet and sour pack. This is trash, get barbecue sauce from Wendy's, right? If you wanna make your own, go ahead. But it's barbecue sauce, come on. Ooh. Nuggets are spicy, boy. Yeah. Now for the burger.